Let me show you a way to make UserForm Control Templates so that you can reuse them. It's a really great little feature. So get your user form set up how you want it, or a specific control how you want it, and then go to your toolbox and let's create a new page. Right-click, New Page. It's not required, but it's helpful. So then you can keep your new controls separate from your other original default controls. And then go grab a control that you like. Let's say the cancel button. You know that you're going to have a cancel button in all of your user forms. So name it how you want, get the caption how you want, then click it and drag it over here. And let's go to insert a new user form now. And you don't have to waste any time making a cancel button. Simply click the one that just appeared down there, click your user form, and there you go. Cancel. And it has maintained the property, so the name is CMD cancel, so you don't have to waste time changing basic properties over and over. But you don't just have to use one button. Let's say that this setup right here is something that you want. So let's select it and then click and drag it over here to our new page. And let's go to the new user form, make this guy a little bit bigger. There we go. And let's get this button out of the way. And click our new control. There you go. It is amazing how much time it's going to save you if you're going to build forms over and over again with similar elements. And for the new page down here, what we can do is to right-click the new page. And we have some options: new page, delete page, rename, move, import page, export page. Let's just look at the rename page. This is kind of helpful, so you can have little groups of your controls. We could call this one default controls, and then a control tip text, which is what appears when you hover over it. If you want, you can have that. Hit OK. And here we have regular basic controls and our default controls that we may reuse often. And another cool little thing, if you right-click your control down here, we have additional controls as usual, and then delete new group, which is how you can get this guy off of here, or customize new group. And if you just have one control, it's going to say new and then the name of the control, so command button or customize command button. But let's go for our group, and I'll show you one cool little thing: customize new group. We can give it a name. Let's call it default setup. And you can give it a picture. Let's choose this guy. OK. OK. And now you have a custom group of controls with a nice little picture, and when you hover over it, control tip text default setup. And that's how you can make UserForm Control Templates that'll help you make your user forms much, much faster. Now, if you're interested in a full VBA course that includes user forms, look to the link in the description of this video for that, and you'll learn so much about VBA, macros, and doing all sorts of great things in Excel. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give it a thumbs up.